Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Saturday, November 30th, last day of November. And I need to get out and see if the snowblower will start. It's really windy. I hope that's not interfering with the microphone, but I was looking online at the weather forecast graphical form, and there wasn't any indication of a storm. And I happened to catch the news, and lo and behold, there's a storm west of the Rockies. That once it gets over the Rockies, I guess they get a better determination of what it is going to do. But this morning they were saying, I don't know, 4 to 8 inches maybe. But it's going to start off as snow and then turn to rain and then end with snow. So it's going to be a long duration storm too, where it's just going to sit around for a while. It's going to start Sunday and into Monday and into Tuesday. So I just got through ordering a couple of tire tubes for the snowblower because they're tubeless and they're leaking, so I have to periodically fill them up with air. But the plan is to change the oil and inflate the tires, move it into the sun so I can warm up a little bit. It's currently 35, and see if it can start. I was toying with the idea of buying a snowblower from Home Depot. It'd be about $1,200 for the same 24-inch cut snowblower, but they had 3, and of course they're all gone. Everybody runs out. So let's see if there's any life left in this snowblower. So I brought the tire inside so I could read it out of the cold, and I just ordered 2 of these 15 by, everyone's selling the 15 by 6, so this is 15 by 5.00-6NHS. So I almost canceled the order because I thought I saw a 5, but everyone's selling the 15 by 6, so hopefully someone was complaining that it was too small, that they had to overinflate the tube, and so I ordered the tubes. They weren't that expensive. I was thinking of getting a tire because there's some cracking on some of these treads, like right here, but they're about $27 a piece. So might as well inflate the one I have right here. I have to go back inside and get the pin that holds this. So I was just looking at bead sealer too as a solution, but there's videos out there on how to insert the tube and how to, break the bead and slide in the tube. So hopefully I can do that. So let me get this started. Yeah, so these take 20 psi. I mean, I can still inflate them. They last for a couple of days. So I will be able to use these through the storm. 2-ply, maximum 20 psi. Yep. Tubeless. All right. I know what you were thinking. Put some grease on that. So I went in, found some grease in the cellar. That went on easier. do the other side. Evidently I was smart enough to run it dry. There's no gas in the tank. So I'll put some gas in, see if it starts up. Alright, got my hearing protection on, and not going to break my back with the pull starter since I have an electric starter. Let's see if I can get this working. Alright, so I guess that answers the will it start question. I was wondering if this should be elevated up here, but that it's probably a good idea to keep this filter submerged in gasoline or else it dries out. But I like to shut off because I can run the carburetor dry. So, just need to change the oil now. It should be all set to go. Okay, so it should be all set. This is New England Gardening, preparing for the first snowstorm. Today's November 30th, Saturday, November 30th, and it's going to start snowing and raining tomorrow through Monday into Tuesday. So thanks for watching. Okay, so today's Monday, December 2nd, and this is the first half of the storm. It's just raining and drizzling out right now. I don't even think the snowblower can handle this and throw it a foot. Just have to move it with the shovel. You can see where I had some barrels there. And then as soon as you move it, the ground's still kind of warm, so it melts. But tonight into tomorrow morning, we're going to get another possible 4 to 6 inches. I don't know if it's going to be the wet stuff or I might be using the snowblower then, but I'm just going to push the snow aside with the shovel. Okay, here comes round two. I just seen a weather update, and there's a chance of 6 to 9 inches between, I think they said 5 to 11 tomorrow. It's going to be the heaviest snow. But it's getting cold again, and it's snowing a little bit. So all this slush is going to turn to ice. Once we get on the other side of the low, and it brings in the cold air. So 6 to 9 inches on top of this slush. I don't know, it could be about 2 to 3 inches of wet snow that we received. So I'll find out tomorrow. how much additional snow we're going to be getting.